Many chess players find themselves in this situation. So there's a pawn race. So if you're playing as white, you're feeling really good. So they go e7, then black goes d3, and you promote, and you sing, yay! But then they go t2. So you have to know how to win this queen versus a passed pawn endgame. So the first video in the series explains just that. In the second video of the series, it's basically a queen versus two passed pawns, both connected and not connected. And the third video of the series is basically have a queen versus four passed pawns. And if you want to see more videos, like for example, 5, 6 passed pawns, just leave it down in the comment section below. And I'm looking forward to showing you this method.